The ship appears completely, broken, yet still standing. A warrior of the past, frozen in time. An internal chamber appears on screen, sealed and untouched. A hidden secret remains. The ship emerges from the ocean. A lost legend returns. The world sees it again. The structure becomes stronger. Support beams lock everything in place. The ship regains its power. Deep under the sea, silence has ruled for centuries.
Deep under the sea.
A submarine approaches carefully. Its lights scan the ocean floor. A lost history is about to be revealed. Helm, stabilize our position. Sonar, can you identify that signature? The ship appears completely, broken, yet still standing. A warrior of the past, frozen in time.
Systems check complete. Confirmed. Ready for exit, Commander.
Each diver carries a number. Identity in silence. A mission beyond words. They move as one unit. Water flows around them slowly. The ship waits in stillness. A gentle touch meets ancient wood. Dust and particles float away. The ship feels alive again. An army symbol appears clearly, still preserved after centuries. A story hidden in silence. Original wood texture returns. Details emerge from time. History breathes again. The team spreads across the ship. Each member restores a piece. Together, they rebuild history. An internal chamber appears on screen, sealed and untouched. A hidden secret remains. The team gathers near the center. The structure feels stronger here. Something important is hidden. A metal lock appears beneath layers, still intact after centuries. It protects something valuable. The lock shifts slowly. Rust breaks away in silence. The seal is weakening. A small opening appears. Darkness waits inside. The ship reveals its secret. A chest becomes visible, covered in time and mystery. Untouched for centuries. The hidden chamber opens slowly. Ancient wood cracks in silence. A secret long protected is revealed. The chest appears completely, covered in layers of time, untouched for centuries.
Look at this inscription right here. I see it. The date appears to be 1642. I'm recording the coordinates now.
An army emblem is revealed, strong and untouched, a symbol of power and history.
The chest is secured carefully. Straps hold it in place. It is ready to be moved.
A cable drops from above. Connection with the surface is made. Recovery operation begins.
The hook locks into place. Metal touches metal softly. The lift begins slowly.
The chest rises upward. Bubbles follow its movement.
A secret returns to the world. With debris removed, the ship stands clear. Its structure is revealed fully. A warrior of the ocean reborn. Air fills the balloons slowly. They expand with pressure. The lift begins gently. The ship shifts for the first time. Sand releases its hold. A moment frozen for centuries breaks. Ancient cannons appear clearly, still attached to the hull, reminders of past battles. The ship rises slowly upward. Light becomes stronger above. The surface is near. Sunlight reaches the ship. After centuries of darkness, it shines again. Water flows off the wood. Surface details become clear. Restoration begins above. The ship emerges from the ocean. A lost legend returns. The world sees it again. Recovery crew pulls it carefully. Ropes tighten under pressure. The mission continues. The chest rests safely above, still closed and mysterious. Its secrets remain hidden. The ship rests on the platform, ready for full restoration, and its true story is about to unfold. The ship rests on the dock, surrounded by modern restoration systems. A new phase begins. The team prepares above water, numbers visible on their backs. Each member takes position. Powerful water jets clean the surface. Dirt and salt wash away. The real structure appears.
Ready, lift. Watch the edge. All right, slowly down.
New wood is placed carefully. It blends with original design. Old and new become one. The structure becomes stronger. Support beams lock everything in place. The ship regains its power. Metal surfaces are polished slowly. Rust disappears completely. Shine returns again. Cannons are restored carefully. Their shape becomes clear again. Echoes of past battles return. The ship transforms gradually. Half old, half new. A bridge between centuries. New sails are attached slowly. They move softly in the wind. The ship breathes again. Ropes are secured tightly. Every detail is perfect. Balance is restored. The ship nears completion. Golden light reflects on its surface. A legend returns.
The map was right, the lock is intricate. Let me try the solvent on this hinge.
Careful now, easy does it.
The chest opens slowly. Golden light fills the air. A hidden truth is revealed. Ancient maps are discovered. Military plans and artifacts appear. A story of war and journey. One map stands out clearly. It shows an unknown route. A new mystery begins. The ship stands fully restored, stronger than ever before. A legend reborn. The team stands together. Their mission is complete, but the journey continues. The sails move with the wind, soft and calm motion. The ship feels alive. The ship returns to the sea. Water welcomes it again. History moves forward. It sails toward the horizon, carrying its restored legacy. A new journey begins. The map glows softly again. Its mystery is still alive. Something calls from afar. As the ship disappears, a new adventure awaits beyond the sea. And the story is far from over.